Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is Azan Ares Auto. We are about to make a smart key, a spare key for this car. You can see this is one is working. This is not working. This is not be programmed, and this equally has not been programmed to the car. As a background to today's procedure, initially we programmed this. We programmed a remote. We programmed a smart key. The remote was working. Unlock the door, lock the door, and even remote starts the car, but we could not actually start the car. It was saying key not detected. So we assumed that the key, maybe the FCC ID was different or the transponder was different. So today we are going to program it, getting a new set of keys to program the car. So let's go to diagnostic function, get an auto scan, and see what we have in the car before now. Okay, we can see that about 6 modules, or actually 9 modules of car, up to 12 modules has faults. The radio frequency up has 1 fault, and the BCM equally has 1 fault. So let us check the BCM. You come to the phone for recording. How are we going to do about that now?
So we'll post them.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is Azan Ares Auto. Customer, this is a 2018 Dodge Charger. The customer has a key and he wanted me to make a spare key for him, which I did with these OEM keys. It can lock and unlock the car, but it can't start the car, even though it can start remotely, but it cannot start it from the car. So I had to use the king card, and the king card worked. So we try to figure out what actually is the issue. But what we are going to do now, since this starts the car, I will take this out the window. You can see this is the customer key. Starts the car. This is the king card. Start the car as well. And the OEM just refused to start. But yet it could lock. You can hear and unlock. You can open the boot and then all the remote function works, but unfortunately this could not work. So what we are going to do now is that we are going to take this key out of the system, then reprogram these 2 keys back. This thing, put it on landscape. We'll have put it landscape. So let us erase. So it's asking me if I'm going to erase all keys.
Is there any phone close?
we have programmed both keys. As you can see, this can lock, unlock, and can start the car. So let me get the both of them can program it now, can work. And I will get the third one that's
Something.
nice.
Wait. Not until you reach it.
Don't worry. This can unlock.
What's that thing showing?
Hmm?
We're showing a couple of things.
Don't worry. Take it.